I bet you have a little blue jar of Vaseline sitting in your bathroom right now. And I bet the last time you opened it was when your lips cracked in January. Maybe a dry elbow here and there. That's probably it, which means you are completely ignoring almost everything else that jar knows how to do. And trust me, the list is long. That little $4 tub quietly replaces foot creams, leather conditioners, makeup removers, brow gels, expensive night creams, even a couple of things out in the garage. The savings add up to hundreds of dollars a year that most people are just handing over at the checkout without a second thought. And here's what gets me. Vaseline has been on store shelves since 1870. That's over 150 years. The people who used it back then, our grandmothers' grandmothers, they knew exactly what it could do. They didn't have a different product for every single problem. They had one jar and they made it work. We just forgot. So today we are counting down 18 benefits of Vaseline that most people have completely forgotten about. And number 1, that one saves you the most money every single year. So let's get into it. Number 18, squeaky door hinges. We'll start with something that probably annoys you more than you realize. That door in your house that squeaks every single time you open it. The bedroom door that announces you to the whole house when you're trying to sneak in quietly. The kitchen cabinet that groans every morning while everyone's still asleep. Most people just live with it or make a trip to the hardware store for a can of spray lubricant. You don't need either of those. Just put a small dab of Vaseline on your finger and work it right into the hinge. Open and close the door a few times to get it coated. That squeak is gone. Here's why it works. Squeaks come from dry metal rubbing on dry metal. Vaseline coats the surfaces just like an oil would, but it won't drip down your door frame or leave a stain on the wood around the hinge, the way spray lubricants sometimes do. It stays right where you put it. Our grandparents use this trick all the time because before WD-40 existed, one tub of petroleum jelly fixed about 50 different problems around the house. A can of spray lubricant runs $8 to $12. This costs you nothing extra. Number 17, Polish leather shoes and boots. If your leather shoes are starting to look dull and tired, don't reach for the shoe polish. Take a small amount of Vaseline on a soft cloth, work it into the leather with small circles, and then buff it off. Your shoes look brand new, and I mean actually new, not just shiny. The Vaseline conditions the leather, brings back the shine, and creates a light protective barrier against water at the same time. And it works on more than just shoes. Boots, belts, leather handbags, leather jackets, even a worn leather couch that's starting to crack and fade. One thing handles all of it. Here's the part that always gets me. Most commercial shoe polishes use petroleum-based ingredients as their base anyway. You're paying for the fancy tin, the brand name, and a different color for every pair you own. Grandma had one thing she used for all her leather, and it lasted. A jar of Vaseline does the same job and costs a fraction of a $12 shoe polish tin, and you only need one for everything you own. Number 16. Wood furniture, watermarks, and scratches. You know that white ring on the coffee table where someone set down a glass without a coaster? Or those little surface scratches that catch the light every time you walk by? Most people either live with them or spend money on wood restoration products that promise to fix it. Here's what actually works. Apply a generous coat of Vaseline directly over the watermark or scratch and let it sit overnight. In the morning, wipe it away and polish the surface as you normally would. The ring fades, minor scratches fill in. The petroleum jelly works by drawing the trapped moisture out of the wood finish and replacing it with oil, which is exactly what dried out wood needs. This is a fraction of the cost of those $15 to $25 wood restoration products, and it's already in your bathroom cabinet right now. Number 15, hair dye skin barrier. If you color your hair at home to save money, and a lot of us do, this one is huge. Before you start applying the dye, rub a thin layer of Vaseline along your hairline, around your ears, and across the back of your neck. When the dye drips, and it will drip, it slides right off your skin instead of staining you for the next 3 days. The Vaseline creates a physical barrier between the dye and your skin. The dye literally cannot soak in.
Most people skip this step and then spend the rest of the week with a brownish-purple hairline they can't scrub off. And those box dye removers they sell to fix the stains, they work about half the time and cost another $8 to try. 2 cents of Vaseline before you start saves you the frustration and the extra trip to the store. And here's the thing. This is exactly what professional hairdressers do at the salon before they color your hair. Now you know. Number 14. Tame EY Eyebrows and Repless Brow Gel runs $8 to $12 a tube. And if you've ever looked into brow lamination at a salon, that's $35 to $130 a visit. All to keep your eyebrows in place and looking full and groomed. A tiny amount of Vaseline on a clean spoolie or an old mascara wand does the same job. Brush it through your brows to shape them, and they'll stay exactly where you put them for hours.
It gives a natural, subtle shine that actually looks like well-groomed brows, not like product. Grandma shaped her brows every single morning with Vaseline and a steady hand. Before brow gel was even a product category anyone had invented, it was just called taking care of yourself. You're not buying a trend here. You're remembering what already worked. Number 13, remove sticker and adhesive residue. You know the sticky ring that's left behind after you peel off a price tag? You scrub at it, you scratch at it with your fingernail, and it just smears around and picks up every bit of dust in the... Number 11. Fix a stuck zipper, the jacket that jams halfway up. The boot zipper that fights you on a cold morning when you're already running late. The handbag that requires 2 hands and a prayer every time you try to open it. A stuck zipper feels like a broken zipper, but most of the time it is in quote, Dab a little Vaseline along both sides of the zipper teeth with a cotton swab. Then work the zipper up and down a few times slowly. It glides like the day you bought it. The jelly fills in and smooths every tiny spot where those teeth catch against each other. Wipe away whatever's left over so it doesn't transfer onto the fabric. I've seen people pay a tailor more to replace a zipper than the jacket itself cost. That's a real repair bill you just skipped with about 60 seconds of effort and less than a cent's worth of petroleum jelly. Number 10. Prevent rust on garden tools. You put your garden tools away at the end of fall, and by spring, the blades have rust on them. Pruners, hoes, shovels, even good kitchen scissors. Once rust starts, it spreads, and eventually the tool is ruined or barely works. Rust prevention sprays cost $8 to $15, and most people never even think to buy one until the damage is already done. Between uses, wipe a thin coat of Vaseline over the metal parts of your tools. Before you use them, wipe it back off. That's the whole trick. The petroleum jelly blocks moisture from reaching the metal, and without moisture, rust cannot form. Farmers and gardeners did this long before rust prevention sprays existed. Tools were expensive, and you took care of them because you couldn't just order another one. That mindset protected a lot of good tools for a lot of years. A good set of garden pruners can run $40 or $50. 1 jar of Vaseline keeps them going for seasons. All right, we are halfway through the list, and we have already replaced more than a dozen products most households buy on autopilot. But the next group, this is where it gets genuinely interesting. These are the ones the beauty industry and the drugstore have been quietly counting on you not to remember. These are the real savings. Stick with me. Number 9. Make your perfume last all day. If your perfume fades within 2 hours of putting it on, the problem isn't the perfume, it's your skin. Fragrance evaporates faster off dry skin. It has nothing to grip onto, so it just burns off into the air. Here, quote, S the fix. Before you spray, dab a small amount of Vaseline on your pulse points, your wrists, your neck, behind your ears. Then spray like you normally would. The oily base holds onto those fragrance molecules and releases them slowly throughout the day, instead of all at once. You'll still smell great into the evening instead of reaching for the bottle again at lunch. The real kicker is what this does to your perfume budget. A bottle that used to last 6 months will last you close to a year. If you're buying a $90 bottle of fragrance, and then most good ones run at least that, you just saved yourself $90 this year. From a $4 jar that goes in your purse. Number 8, protect your car battery terminals. Corroded battery terminals are one of those car problems that sneaks up on you. One cold morning, you go out, turn the key, and nothing happens. The car won't start. You call for a jump, and the mechanic tells you the terminals are corroded. Car batteries run $100 to $200 to replace. Here, quote S, what your grandfather probably already knew. Disconnect your battery terminals, clean them off with a wire brush, reconnect them, and then coat the connections with a layer of Vaseline. That's it. The petroleum jelly creates a moisture-resistant barrier around the terminals, and moisture is exactly what causes corrosion. No moisture gets in, no corrosion builds up, and the connection stays clean and solid. According to the Automotive Battery Council, protecting your terminals this way can extend battery life by up to 25%. Specialized battery terminal grease runs $8 to $15 for a tiny tube. Vaseline does the same job. Mechanics have known this for generations. It just never made it onto anyone's product label because there's no money in telling you to use what you already own. Number 7, nourish your eyelashes. Lash serums are everywhere right now. They run $15 for a basic drugstore version and up to $40 for the one with all the clinical sounding ingredients on the label. And most of them? The active ingredient is a conditioning oil that does what conditioning oils have always done. Before lash serums were a product category, women used Vaseline. Take a clean spoolie or the very tip of your finger and apply the smallest amount of Vaseline to your lashes before bed. It coats and conditions the fine hairs, protects them from brittleness and breakage, and over time they look noticeably thicker and healthier. This isn't a new discovery. Women have been doing this since before anyone called it a serum. The jar is the same. The result is the same. The only difference is no one is selling you a $40 tube of it. That's the version that saves you money. Number 6. Make your own lip gloss. Lip gloss runs $10 to $15 a tube. The shade you love gets discontinued without warning, and most of them dry your lips out more than they help. Here's the version that actually works and costs you almost nothing. Scoop a small amount of Vaseline into a clean little tin or an old pill box. Add a dab of your favorite lipstick and mix it together with a toothpick. What you have now is a custom tinted lip gloss in your exact shade, one that moisturizes your lips instead of drying them out, and costs you pennies to make. Women were doing this long before the makeup counter existed. They had one shade of lipstick and one jar of petroleum jelly, and they made do beautifully. When the company discontinues your color, and they always do, you can keep mixing it yourself for years from the lipstick you already have. That's real resourcefulness, and it's the kind of thing that used to just be common sense. Number 5, remove makeup. Most people have 3 or 4 different makeup removers under the sink. Micellar water, remover wipes, a separate eye makeup remover for the waterproof mascara that the regular one won't touch. Those bottles add up to $8 to $15 each, and you're going through them constantly. Vaseline removes all of it. Apply a small amount to your fingertips. Massage it across your face and over your lashes in gentle circles, and wipe away with a warm, damp cloth or a cotton pad. Waterproof mascara, foundation, eyeshadow, it all comes off cleanly.
Number 4. Tame FLYAWAYS and Seal SPLT and S anti-frizz serums cost $10 to $18 a bottle. They build up in your hair over time, and most of them make you reach for the bottle again within a few hours. And when it comes to split ends, there's really only one way to stop them, which is to seal the cuticle so it stops fraying further. Vaseline does both. The key is to use less than you think you need, and then cut that in half. Rub the tiniest amount between your fingertips first, then smooth over flyaways or work just through the very ends of your hair. It seals the cuticle on split ends and smooths flyaways without making your hair look greasy or weighed down. Grandma never had a separate frizz product. She had one thing that did what she needed, and she used just enough of it. That's the whole trick. A little goes a very long way. Number 3. Prevent wax from sticking, Candleholderst. His one sounds small, but if you use candles regularly, you know the particular frustration of trying to pry hardened wax out of a glass or metal candle holder. You soak it, you chip at it, sometimes you crack the holder trying to get it out. It's one of those annoying little jobs that takes 20 minutes you don't have. Here, quote, what to do before the candle ever goes in. Swipe a thin layer of Vaseline inside the candle holder and around the base of the candle where it meets the glass. When the candle burns down, the used wax lifts right out in one clean piece. No soaking, no scraping, no cracked holders. One step before saves you 20 minutes after. And it saves the holders. Good glass candlesticks are worth keeping, and this is how you keep them. Number 2. Overneat face, Moisturizert. His is the one that makes me a little bit angry every time I think about it. Luxury night creams at the department store counter run $50, $80, sometimes $200 for a jar the size of your fist. Women spend real money on these because the labels sound so convincing and the packaging is so beautiful. Here, quote, what dermatologists have been quietly telling patients for years. Wash your face, apply your regular serum or moisturizer like you normally would, and then seal it all in with a thin layer of Vaseline before bed. Wake up with plump, hydrated, glowing skin. They're, quote, even a name for it now. The beauty world finally caught on and they're calling it slugging. But your grandmother just called it going to bed. Vaseline doesn't moisturize on its own. What it does is create an occlusive seal that locks in every drop of moisture your skin already has and prevents it from evaporating overnight. That's exactly what a $200 night cream does. The dermatologists know this. The beauty industry knows this. They've just been counting on you not to. One thin layer of a $4 tub before bed. Stack the savings from this one benefit alone over a full year, and you're looking at $200 back in your pocket. That is the single biggest beauty markup in the entire drugstore aisle, and now you know. All right, real quick before we get to number 1. If you're finding value in these, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This channel is all about the practical, old school wisdom that actually works and keeps real money in your pocket. The stuff that got quiet because nobody profits from it. Okay, here is number 1. And this one will change how you shop for the rest of your life. Number 1. Razor blade, Preservation. I want to talk about something that's been costing most households serious money for years. Razor cartridges. The packs I've priced lately run $20 and up for a 4 count. And at my store, they've started locking them behind glass, which tells you everything you need to know about how much they're worth. Most people assume their blades go dull from shaving. That's actually not what happens. Blades don't go dull from use. They go dull from sitting wet between uses, rusting at an edge so fine your eye can't even see it. Every time you leave that wet blade sitting in the shower or on the edge of the sink, it's corroding. And the next time you shave, it's already weaker than it was before. Here, quote, the fix. And it's so simple, it almost doesn't seem real. After each shave, rinse your razor, shake it off, and pat the blade dry on a towel. Then swipe a whisker-thin coat of Vaseline across the blades. Before your next shave, give it a quick rinse and you'll never notice it was there. The Vaseline seals out the air and the moisture, and the blade stays sharp the way it was on the day you opened the pack. Mine last about twice as long as they used to. That $20 pack shows up half as often on my grocery receipt. Over a full year, that's $100 or more straight back in your pocket. From a jar that costs $4 and lasts for months. They quote rather you throw out a perfectly sharp blade and buy another pack. That's the business model. Taking care of what you already have instead of buying it twice, that's just good stewardship. Closeone, little $4 jar. 18 jobs. Hundreds of dollars a year that you get to keep. Which one of these are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one of them, and I genuinely learned so much from you. And if you've got a Vaseline trick I didn't cover, I want to hear that too. The best ideas always come from this community. The old ways really were the best ways. We just forgot. YouTube thinks you'll enjoy this video next. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.